How to add PowerPoint slides in Wix Studio. So in order to add a PowerPoint slide, what we can do is we can head over to a new tab and then searching here for ELF site. Go over right here to the first link, which is elfsite.com. And then from in there, just head over and then sign up or log in. So I have already logged in. So we have in here our actual dashboard into our ELF site. From in there, click onto this Add New App. Click onto the Search Widgets and search in here for File. We have in here this file embed. So let's head over and then click on it. So from in there, you can just choose a template of what the file embed will look like. We have in here PDF, Word, Excel, and we have in here the PowerPoint presentation. Let's choose in here this PowerPoint and click onto this Continue with this template. So we have in here a sample PowerPoint presentation. If you want to add a file, just head over and click on this add and upload the file that you want to actually input. I'll head over and upload in here a file. Once you have uploaded, click on done. Now let's remove the sample and let's just use in here our actual PowerPoint. And here's what it looks like. Click onto this publish option and then as you see changes were published, head over and pick a plan to install the widget and click onto this free plan. Now for this case, as you can see, it should be able to provide us our actual embed code. Copy that and then head back to your Wix Studio. Click onto this plus icon and then from in there, you should be able to see in here all of the elements that you can install. For this case, I'll choose in here this embed and social. And let's choose in here the embed code and let's drag it right around to the blank page of our actual website. Let's input that right here. Now, once the embed code has been added, you can click onto this enter code option and then just enter in here the code and click on update. Now, as you can see, it will load and we can now see in here our actual PowerPoint presentation and we can scroll down to it in order to expand this particular presentation. So that's how you add PowerPoint slides in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.